Hi guys, here we got another video. I've got this Sobell radio. It's a S314 model, medium wave, long wave and short wave. To show you here, have a look at that today. As you can see, it's made in the 1980s, 1983 I think, and doesn't seem to be working apparently. Show you around the unit here. And just going to give it an overhaul today. So if I just remove the back cover, you can see once I've undone this screw here, the insides here, that's the battery compartment also. It's a label there with the model number, serial number, sorry. And you see all the resistors and what's not inside here, transistors. As this was the original transistor radio. Okay, so I've popped a set of batteries inside to test it. And so what I'll do, just switch it on. A little bit crackly, the volume. I'll have to have a look at that. And here you can see, just trying to tune it in. Someone's put these little stickers on from the 80s, retune stickers. So I can only really get the one channel on this for some reason or another, and that's on medium wave, nothing on long wave, and I'm not sure if short wave is still in existence. Okay, so what I'm going to do is strip the unit apart, have a look at it. There's some bolts holding the PCB to the housing, which I'm just undoing there. Just some socket head screws holding it in, and you can see I'm just getting them out here. I've managed to pull the unit out thus far, but there's a couple of wires still holding it in place. I think they're for the external antenna, or it could be the power supply, I'm not sure. So I'll just show you this section here, where I'm just going to unsolder them, just this this yellow and white wire. Here you can see me just desoldering them so I can remove the unit, remove the PCB, and you can see I've just unsoldered the white wire there. Okay, so now that I've got that done, just got to get this speaker out also. And I'm just going to unscrew the speaker because I need that out of the way also. Here you can see me just lifting it out. And that's just pulling the wiring out. There's a couple more wires on there holding it in place, which I'm not going to bother to unsolder them because there's quite a few. On the side there's a couple of sockets on the side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reflow the whole thing. Let me show you here. I'm just going to go over every solder and just reflow it, as they say, and just add some more solder also, just so I get a nice good connection. Just get a little close up there of me reflowing the PCB. Okay, so now that I've reflowed everything, I'm just going to dip the unit in a bucket of water, and it's still connected like I've said before, but obviously I'm not going to put the PCB and the speaker in. Just pop the rest of it in and got the wires dangling off the side there. And here's just the other parts of the radio, which I've removed, the tuner and the knob. I'm going to put the back cover in, but first I've got to peel these stickers off because I don't want to get them wet. I'm going to stick them back on. So I'm just going to unpeel this sticker here from the back cover without tearing it, because I want to stick it back on and keep the unit as genuine as I can. You can see me just carefully removing the label off the inside of the back cover. There you go. Let's put that to one side for a minute, and then I'm just going to put this back cover in the bucket also to soak. Here you can see me just giving the unit a clean now. It's cleaning the parts. That's the tuning knob, and I'm just going to clean the back cover and the actual radio housing itself. And that's the tuning indicator cover. Okay, I've got everything nice and clean now, so I'm just going to put it on this tissue to dry. As you can see, I've still got it connected to the radio and the speaker. Just going to put them on this tissue here next to it to dry out. And I'm going to leave that for a couple of hours once I've got all the unit parts out to dry off. Okay, they're nice and dry now, so what I'm going to do is just pop this back on the bench. And I'm going to reassemble the unit. Here you got the parts here, all nice and dry. Nice and clean and dry. Okay, I just got to do a bit of maintenance. I'm just going to put some WD on the volume and the selector because they were crackling before on the volume control. Okay, so now I'm just going to, now that I've done the maintenance, I'm just going to reassemble the unit lively. You can see me just putting the speaker in, speed this section up, and then I'm just going to pop this PCB in also lively. As you can see there, I've got them in there. Okay, I just got to resolder the yellow and the white wire, which I disconnected before. I think it's for the external antenna. I'm just going to resolder that. And then I'm just going to pop the aerial back in. I'll give that a clean also, the antenna. The slides in here, and then the screw holds it to the bottom with the connector. Like so. Okay. And I'm just going to fit the channel indicator back in. I'll give that a clean also. Just slots into the top here, and then that's the volume control on and off switch. Just pop that back on, and that's the tuning knob. Also give that a clean. Just pop that on the front here. Then it's just a matter of fitting the back cover back on. But before that, I've cleaned the battery terminal. I'm just going to pop the batteries back in. Clean the battery holder, sorry. Just going to pop the batteries back in and test it. And then just refitting the labels what I removed off the back cover. Just putting them back on with a super glue. You see there, just refitted them, just keeping it original. And then it's just a matter of popping this back cover back on. And then give you the whole unit clean. And that's the unit fully assembled there. Just show you
hopefully if they miss,
what it looks like now.
If they don't miss, of course,
you can see I've got channels now.
But if they do miss, then what are the protocols? Well,
nice and strong signals.
A
the RAF aircraft has countermeasures which can confuse missiles.
I'll show you what it looks like
What we
close up.
really don't know, and there's far more about an incident like
And
this
this is what it
we
looks
don't
like
know.
before.
And frankly, until 30 years
Before I refurbish it, this is what it looks like.
won't know or never will.
This is what it looks like now. So as you can see here, I can find channels now. Before I could only find the one. I can find channels on long wave and medium wave. I don't think there's any short wave around anymore.
We don't know that. But
because I feel terrible.
You can just see me just testing it on long wave.
I feel terrible. I'm so embarrassed.
That pretty much concludes. Thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.
Myself lately.
I know that.